Blessings and abundance be upon you, family. Welcome back to Affirm Life, where our goal is to motivate, elevate, and celebrate you along this journey. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys through a short mindfulness meditation underneath this beautiful full moon on July 23rd, I believe it is today. And we have this beautiful full moon, and I figured, why not do a guided meditation underneath this full moon energy so you can sit comfortably as I take you through this meditation. And you can hear the sounds of the night creatures. We could bring this in, excuse me, into our meditation. So you can sit comfortably, relax. You don't have to sit in a lotus pose, but you can do that if you want. Back upright. Maybe feet flat on the floor. And we could begin this meditation with relaxation. Relaxing the body from the toes upwards. And the toes up. Feel your body relaxing. On the tips of your toes, feet, ankles, your calves relaxing. Feel the relaxation moving up to your knees, thighs, pelvis, your stomach. Feel relaxation moving up your body. Up your stomach, your chest, lower back, upper back, your fingers, hands, lower arms, upper arms. Feel the relaxation moving up your body, your shoulders, neck, your chin, your lips, nose, your face, your head. Feel your entire body relaxing, 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 relaxing. Again, your back upright, feet flat on the floor. Right now your entire body is relaxed. And again, if you choose to sit in a lotus position, that is fine as well. Right now we're going to begin the meditation using the breath as an anchor. But before we do so, we will just take in the sounds. So tune your attention to the sounds of the night creatures. The sounds around you. Attention on the sounds. On the sounds, bring your attention to the sensation at the soles of your feet. Feel that sensation at the soles of your feet, ignoring all thoughts and other sensations in the body. And we're going to move the attention from the soles of the feet to the hips, the feeling of the hips and sensation at the hips and buttocks as you're seated. Tune your attention to the sensation underneath your hips, underneath your butt. Again, ignoring all other sensations, just focusing the attention on the feeling of the hips and the buttocks, seated. Moving that attention up to the breath. So now the attention is at the breath. Tune into that breathing, inhalation, exhalation, breathing in and out. Tune into the sound of the breath. When you cannot hear the sound, then just the feel of the air entering the lungs and exiting the lungs. Feel also the breathing movements breathing movements of the chest and stomach. Tune into that. If there's difficulty feeling the breath or difficulty hearing the breath, tune into the movements, the breathing movements of the chest and stomach. Keep your attention on that. This is our anchor right now. All that is associated with the breathing. Ignoring all thoughts which arise. As they arise, acknowledging them and bring the attention back to the breathing. Breathing. Inhalation, exhalation. Rise and fall of the chest. Rise and fall of the stomach. Keeping the attention right there. Underneath this beautiful full moon energy, we tune in our awareness, keeping the awareness grounded in the now. Thoughts may arise, take your attention away from the breath. You simply acknowledge that you drifted. Bring the attention back to the breath, to the breathing, and hold it there. You could do this for an extended period of time, ignoring all other sensations in the body, resisting the urge to move, remaining completely still, ignoring all thoughts which arise, all concerns which arise, keeping the attention on the breathing, allowing the mind to become one-pointed. We'll bring this meditation to an end. You could continue if you choose to prolong this for 5, 10, 15 minutes, keeping the attention on the breath for the breathing movements, the sound of the breath, rise and fall of the chest and stomach. We'll bring this meditation to an end. Bringing the sensation back, bringing the awareness, the attention back to the sensation at the buttocks and the hips. Bringing the awareness, the attention back to the feel of the hips and the buttocks sitting down. Moving the awareness back down to the soles of the feet, whether they are flat on the floor or not. Bringing the awareness back outwards to the sounds in the surroundings. Maybe the night creatures or whatever sounds are in your surrounding. Bringing this meditation to an end. And then if this beautiful full moon, thank you so much for coming in. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And look out for more videos like this. Peace and love to you. Blessings and abundance be upon you. From La. Taking in this beautiful full moon energy. Perfect for setting your intentions, your goals, perfect for making changes and setting the intention to make personal changes for growth and development. More life, light and love to you. Peace and love. From love.